So guys, tonight we are just doing quick, short, sharp updates on many of our stocks which we like to look at on the channel. We have done a few already, and once again we are having a quick look at Tesla because I think we have something important to consider with Tesla stock at the minute, and that is the fact that I personally believe, now of course it's just my opinion, but I do believe we are finding a new price point for Tesla, a new point where the stock is going to be stable. I'm going to be talking about all of that in just this short video, so if that sounds good, please do like and subscribe. You know, we're trying to get to 1,000, so if you could just help us get to 1,000 as soon as possible, it would be appreciated. We've just blasted through 800, in about a week, so if we could just carry on this insane growth, get to that 1,000 milestone, then we can start working to the next one of a 10,000 and then 100,000. We got big dreams, but I need you to help me on the journey. Right, so let's have a quick look back to Tesla stock. Not getting away from the subject, of course, we have seen a bullish month on Tesla quite significantly towards last week. Now this becomes a lot more apparent when we look into the 5-day chart. We saw the stock basically stable around the 490-ish dollar point, hitting 500 at points, going back down to about 495 at other points. So that's been pretty stable from that point, perhaps even going down over a long period of time. But when we look out to the past 2 or 3 days, we are seeing the stock take an insane rally. Of course, we saw the stock get entered into the S&P 500. We all know the benefits this is going to have for the company. We all know the benefits this has had for the stock. It attracts new investors, great things for the company. Obviously, on the 6-month period, we've had a lot go on. We have had the Model 3 come out. I think that was earlier this year or last year. Either way, the sales for that car have really picked up this year. We have had a lot of factors. We've had a few, just a few big pieces of news for Tesla, which I don't even need to explain. We've had the stock split. I could go on and on and on, but at the minute, I think we are finding a new point to be stable at the stock, specifically due to the fact that we have entered the S&P 500 on Tesla. I think a lot of people are going to be a lot more happy to get in now, and in my opinion, I am not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion, but in that opinion, I think we are going to see the stock level out at a higher price. What price is this going to be? I am not 100% sure. Knowing Tesla and the hype that goes into this, I could definitely see this touching $600 in the next week. But I think if it does touch 600, we would not be leveling out there because, a lot of hype will be in there. And I think after a few weeks or so, the stock price will just rally and rally and rally and then fall back down to its initial support level of about, I'd like to call it around 600, but perhaps slightly less, maybe even more. But that's just my opinion. I think Tesla is going to hit a new, place to be comfortable at. It could even be the 570-ish range, which we are seeing right now. Either way, it's now a good time to buy into Tesla. I mean, it's one of those ones. Tesla, very volatile all the time, always has been. But it's generally speaking, if you have held for a long time, not too bad of a bet. Obviously, we all know the amazing things about Tesla. Market cap has just shot past half a trillion dollars. So, the company is absolutely growing in the correct direction. So if we can see this continue on the long term, for the years, it's probably still a sound and decent investment to go for. For the few months, it's just one of those ones. It's a very speculative bet, probably quite risky, but I do have faith in the company for the long period of time. Important to know, I'm not your financial advisor, obviously, but I hope you did enjoy the video. So if you did, please do like and subscribe. And other than that, have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you. Goodbye.